There are two corrections I want to just make a quick note of. They're not huge, but could be confusing if you weren't aware of them. So on discussion assignment 6, I posted the solution for that. Let me just change something here. I posted the solution for that, and it had an error in the calculation for M. It was some weird, I don't know where it came from. But if you had looked at the solution for discussion assignment 6 and noticed that, just cross that out. I posted the right version or the right answer and the new updated solution. So everything should be okay if you just go look at it now. On homework 3 in the prompt, I also gave you an equation for M that included an area in it that shouldn't have been in there. And if you use the equation I gave you, it would have a units error. It turns out it doesn't actually affect the solution too much. But just double check, go back and delete that area out of the M. There's a post on Piazza about that. So just wanted to note both of those. So I'm going to be gone the 11th, 16th, and 18th. At least this is the plan now. So I'm planning to pre-record these lectures. You would just watch the lectures, be responsible for that before going to discussion. So I'll pre-record them probably this week and then post them all so you can watch them when you want. I will let you know if that's not the case, and then otherwise we just meet as normal. So what I'm going to ask you all to do is we're going to kind of go back to COVID mode. And once you're done physically filling out the exam here in the room, have your phone take and scan the solution, and then upload that to Canvas and submit it there so that I can grade them on the plane, basically. You'll still hand in the hard copy to the TA before you leave. So make sure, I guess a couple things. Make sure you have an app on your phone that can do a PDF and then upload it. Make sure you have the Canvas app installed on your phone and that you can coordinate those things, right? Yeah, so there's different ways, you can do it through built-in apps like on the Notes app. There's also the one that I found that uses Adobe has a good scanning app that's free. It creates a PDF and then you just upload that PDF to Canvas. So maybe do a dry run just to make sure. The way that it'll work is it's an hour exam. So if you happen to finish early, just sit tight until the end of the hour. The TA will then say, okay, now everybody put your pencils down, upload, and we'll do that. Hopefully this is not a major issue. If there is a major issue, we'll still have the hard copies, and I'll just grade it when I get back. Okay. Other questions?
Will we be hosting office hours?
So my office hours I won't be having them. Any questions you can email or do through Piazza. The TAs will still have office hours, yes. Yep. The exam problems are more difficult than the discussion problems, but not as difficult as the homework problems. And you would not be expected to you won't be expected normally to go to the level of implementing something like an ease, right? Because you don't have ease with you. So you're just doing derivations, you're maybe sketching stuff, demonstrating your knowledge of concepts, getting to the point where you could solve equations, right? That type of thing. But I mean, it's an exam, so there's something new about the problem, right? You have to be able to take the ideas that you've learned and show that you can apply them.